I'm Zoe Bishop. I have a background in contemporary dance. I studied in the UK in vocational training. I stayed there freelancing for a short while, and now since being back in Gibraltar I'm working as a teacher for the Department of Education, and I also teach a bit of yoga. So I have a background and an interest really in movement and arts and how the body can express itself. It's actually been an idea, Bodies in Flow, that I've had for quite a few years now. It's something that I wanted to do in Gibraltar. It's not particularly an original idea. I've seen events like this done in the UK a lot, but I've never had a chance to experience one here. So now that I'm back and I'm settled here, I thought it felt the right time that I had enough people who might be interested to come along and perform with me, and the right context in the arts world, so people who draw, paint, photograph, film, enough people that were interested. So it felt like the right timing, and it was in the lockdown last year that I actually started to put into plan and go ahead with contacting culture and making the decision. So it actually came from having a period of having space to think from the lockdown, and that's where the motivation came, and I set the deadline to go ahead with it. That we have a very high quality of dance and dance training in Gibraltar. There's lots of really successful schools who train dancers technically to compete, to be quite elite physically. I think with the contemporary dance that I'm interested in particularly, maybe is much more about creativity and how you can use the body to move energy the same way that a painter would be painting, and it's different brushstrokes. The dance is in the same space for me, although we don't have a trace of it, is the same idea.